Classification of solids. Solids are classified as crystalline or amorphous. A crystalline solid is a solid in which the atoms, ions, or molecules lie in an orderly array. An amorphous solid is a solid in which the atoms, ions, or molecules lie in a random jumble, as in butter, rubber, and glass. Crystalline solids typically have flat, well-defined surfaces called faces, which have definite angles at their edges. These faces are formed by orderly stacks of atoms. Amorphous solids do not have well-defined faces unless they have been molded or cut. When some solids melt, they become liquid crystals, a form of matter with some properties of both liquids and crystalline solids. Crystalline solids include metallic elements such as copper and iron, and alloys such as brass, in which the atoms of the elements are stacked in regular arrays. The solid forms of the non-metallic elements such as sulfur, phosphorus, iodine, and solid argon are also crystalline. Ionic compounds such as sodium chloride and potassium nitrate crystallize into structures that allow cations and anions to stack together in electrostatically favorable arrangements, sometimes with hydrating water molecules. In many substances, the atoms, ions, or molecules can adopt more than one arrangement depending on the conditions. These different arrangements result in the different solid forms of the substance. Forms of an element that differ in pattern of bonds between atoms are called allotropes. For example, diamond and graphite are two different allotropes of carbon, with the carbon atoms arranged differently in each. Different allotropes of an element have different physical and chemical properties, such as melting point, density, and reactivity. And those are the classification of solids. Have a great day.